Welcome to my channel. I am Soumya this side, and please subscribe me, guys. If you have not already subscribed, your one subscription means a lot to me, and thank you for so much love on all my videos. And in today's video, I am going to solve the challenge 4 for the super badge. So this is Agent Force roadmap recommendations. Okay, so if you're following my videos, then I am doing the super badge, which is dashboard insights for Agent Force Readiness Super Badge Unit, and I've already posted the last 3 videos. So now this is the last challenge. So here, what they're asking, let's go it here. That Fiona is really excited about how Agent Force can boost productivity at CloudKicks. So she asked you to create 3 internal cases with detailed recommendations. Make sure these recommendations are super effective by specifying the product, stakeholder, and object that the agent would be built on. Okay, she is all about making sure each use case fits with company's bigger goals. Okay, so they are saying that we have to create 3 cases here. Okay, and in the cases, like when we'll create a case, there's a very big form which comes. So they are saying that these three should be filled in that: product, stakeholder, and object. And then they're saying review the data quality analysis and executive performance and AI readiness dashboards, and think about where Agent Force can make the biggest impact right away. Agent Force can make the biggest impact. Okay, submit an internal case for Agent Force field generation that matches CloudKick's need and can really boost efficiency and productivity for the service team. Okay, so actually here we have to create 3 cases. Now, first case here they are giving that we have to submit an internal case for Agent Force field generation that matches CloudKick's needs and can really boost efficiency and productivity for the service team. Okay, so Agent Force field generation is used for field generation. It is used for auto populating, right? So like if we want to auto populate something, like suppose we are filling a field, okay, and based on that field we need to auto populate some other field. Okay, so based on so for example, for example, suppose there is a field of state, okay, and as soon as I say state Georgia, the country USA is already filled. Okay, suppose I auto populate that if these all are the states, then the country auto fill as US. Okay, so this is an example of like field Agent Force field generation, like auto population. Okay, so let's create a case first. So I'm launching this, and okay, we have to create a case here. So I will go to cases, and then I will go to new case. Okay, and just be careful that you are inside this app. Okay, you will already be inside this because you are launching from super badge only, but still if you want to. So I am doing new. Now they are saying internal cases, right? So they are, I think they're mentioning this, that you have to, yeah, internal case, right? So I will choose it internal. And then next, now some things which they're asking. So one is product, the other is object, and one more thing, right? Stakeholder. Product, object, and stakeholder. Okay, so now here product, they are saying field generation, right? So let's see Agent Force field generation. Now stakeholder, so they are saying boost efficiency for the service team. So they are specifying here service team, so I will say service team. And then the third thing which they're asking to fill is object. Okay, so object, suppose service team, right? So uh, okay, suppose cases for service team. Okay, so okay, subject, now they are saying that we have to actually we have to describe all this: subject, recommendation, and some internal comments, because we are making a case here, right? So they are saying that based on the dashboards which we have created, just create something like which can help the service team. So I will say, okay, so let me give here Agent Force field generation. Okay, in description, agent force field generation can be used to auto populate values which can save us some time, something like this, like you can write anything. It is just, just I'm writing, just like that. So this is the case which I created. Okay, now they are saying another case. So another one, they are saying, for the next case, dive into the dashboards and find a solid use case for sales to boost performance and deal advancements. Okay, so they are saying that we have to go in these dashboards actually. Okay, and we have to see that where we can boost our performance and where we can boost our sales. Okay, we have to find a use case for that. So for now I am just doing this. Okay, and now they are saying for sales, right? So here I will say sales team, and product also I will say agent for sales coach. Okay, now do you know that in sales coach, what we can do, we can frame a personalized email, right? So we can frame a personalized email with the sales coach, or even we can perform a pitch, right? And we can perform a pitch, and we can take the help of sales coach in performing our pitch. Okay, so something like that use case we can create. So maybe sorry, what they're saying, object name, so let me do it opportunity here. Okay, now the subject here, agent for sales coach. Let me do sales coach. Okay, because we can take help of sales coach in a lot of things. So let me say agent for sales coach. Okay, sales coach can help us to guide through the sales uh, process, drafting emails, um, and getting us ready with a pitch. Okay, so just like this I am, you can use anything, it's not necessary. Just we have to can help us to guide us through the sales processes, and drafting emails, getting us in short, we can save time, right? In short, saving us time and performing better and boosting efficiency. Okay, so I'm just writing these things. You can write whatever is good, like you think is good. I'm saving this here. Okay, now third one, they're saying, for the final case, pinpoint the best use case for deploying a customer facing agent to chat directly with customers or prospects. Okay, for the final case, pinpoint the best for the customer facing agent. Okay, so now I will say new. Okay, so customer facing agent. So the product will be service agent, sales. I think service agent, right? Because service agent, because they're saying customer facing agent. Okay, so let it be service agent, and stakeholder. Stakeholder will be customers or prospects. Okay, so are there any? I don't think there are customers or prospects here. So maybe service, not sure. Let's do this. Okay, and then So this chatbots help. We can take in account info, we can take in opportunity, also know the status of a case. Okay, so I will, for here I am selecting case. Okay, and I can say here agent for service agent. Okay, and I will say that it can help us in knowing status of a case, hence solving, hence saving time of a customer rep, right? Saving time of a, customer rep. Okay, so let's do this and save this. Okay, so I have created three cases here. Now we can see case 1, case 2, case 3. So since they're saying that we are using agent force, right? So therefore agent force, field generation, sales coach, and service agent. Okay, now this is what I have done. I have added these three things, I think, in all of them. In sales coach also, yeah, I think I have added everything. But okay, so now they're saying make sure recommendations are super effective, and from configuring data. Okay, I let's check this challenge. Okay, let's see what else is needed. This is a basic. I just created three cases, and just, oh yeah, it is done. That's all we need. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please, please, please subscribe me. Your one subscription matters to me a lot, and thank you for so much love on my videos. Bye bye.